So guys, if you enter these 4 different prompts into ChatGPT, I'm sure by the end of this video, you're going to be able to have a side hustle up and running. I'm a big believer in AI. I use it every single day in my day-to-day life with my online businesses. And if you're someone that might be working a full-time job, maybe a part-time job, and you're looking for a side hustle, you should also be using AI tools like ChatGPT when it comes to putting yourself in a position of being able to earn an extra source of income. I'm not saying that AI is some sort of magic formula that's going to be able to make you rich. There's always going to be work that's going to be required, and there's always going to be a risk when it comes to starting any type of business. But I'm sure if you're able to watch this video from start to finish, you're going to be able to get a better understanding as to how AI technology actually works. But let's not waste any time. Let me jump straight into one of the first prompts that you're going to type into ChatGPT, which is going to be this one over here that says, what are the top 15 side hustles that I can start and scale with the help of ChatGPT? So all we're doing with this prompt is trying to figure out which online businesses, which internet businesses are the best ones that work well with ChatGPT, that we're going to be able to use it with various different elements of it. Of course, you don't have to use ChatGPT. There's countless different AI tools out there, but for those of you that want ChatGPT to be some sort of a business advisor as you're getting started, then this is the prompt that you want to enter. So I'm just going to copy it just like this and then go over to it by typing in chatgpt.com. Now you can use the free account. You don't have to sign up for an account if you don't want to. I would recommend that you do so because you're going to be able to refer back to all your chats. If you use the standard one just like this, it's going to come with certain limitations. So what I would recommend all of you to do is to sign up for a free account. This is definitely the bare minimum, but what I personally do is I pay the monthly $20 for me to be able to use the Plus account. Again, it's not really something that you need to do. This is just something that I personally do because I'm using ChatGPT every single day, as I've already told you in the intro. So let's just go back over to it and paste the prompt in just like that. And you can tailor it in any way that you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on enter. Okay, great. So as you guys already know how ChatGPT works, it's going to instantly come back with various different online businesses that we're going to be able to start. We're not going to have to wait hours for it to respond. It's going to be able to get back to us ASAP. And it's come back with some decent options, you know, AI powered content creation, faceless YouTube channel, ebook, email newsletter business, print on demand. You know, there's a long list of different options. And my recommendation to any of you that are following along is to make sure that whichever one that you do pick, it's something that you want to continue doing for at least 9 months or even 1 year. The mistake that most people make is that they think that AI is some sort of magic formula, some magic genie that's going to instantly grant you all of your money wishes, when in reality, you're going to have to put the work in for you to get the results that you're hoping to get. So don't go through the list and think that, oh, I'm going to pick this one because I can cash out from it and start printing money ASAP, because it's not going to work like that. You're going to have to make sure that you pick one that you're passionate about, that you believe that you're going to be able to stick with, and it's something that excites you, that you're going to wake up every day looking forward to building. But the one that I'm going to go with in this video is going to be number 6, which is affiliate marketing through niche blogs or websites. As we can see, it says here that we need to build a website around a specific topic, and then we're going to earn commissions by recommending products. And the way that ChatGPT is going to be able to help us is going to be with creating SEO optimized articles, product reviews, etc., etc. So this is the one that I'm going to move forward with when it comes to the remainder of these different prompts. But this now brings me on to the second prompt, which is going to be this one over here. What are the most profitable niches I can start as a beginner? And then I'm just going to paste the name of the side hustle. So let's go back over to it, put the prompt in there just like this, copy it just like that and paste it right here into the side hustle section, and then click on enter. And what it's doing right now is giving me the best categories to focus on when it comes to the specific side hustle that we're looking to build, which is a website that's going to allow us to earn a source of income anywhere around the world. So again, you need to pick a niche that stands out to you, something that you've got more knowledge than the common person. We've got niches like travel and digital nomad lifestyle, parenting and baby products, home improvement and DIY. But the one that I'm going to go with in this video, just to make it a bit simple is personal finance and investing. You guys already know, if you've been watching me for any amount of time, this is something that I'm really interested in. So I'm going to stick with this one for now. And what I'm going to do is move on to the next prompt, which is how can I build my website using AI within the following niche? So we're just going to copy the prompt, go back over to ChatGPT, paste it in there like that, and copy this niche, paste it in there, and now click on enter. Okay, great. So let's see what it comes back with. It's giving me all of the steps that I need to take, niche that I've chosen, and how I can get my domain and my website set up with Hostinger. So this is the one that I'm going to go with. I'm going to use Hostinger, and I'm going to leave a direct link to them in the description down below. That link is going to give you a discount. It's what I personally use, and it's what millions of people all around the world are using as well, because it's definitely one of the most trusted hosting platforms that are out there. So that's why it's no surprise that ChatGPT is advising that I use it as well. So I'm just going to go over to Hostinger and create my account. And there's so many different reasons why Hostinger is the best choice for most people. As you can see, they give all of these massive discounts, 75% off when it comes to using their AI builder. You're going to be able to get a free domain. You're going to be able to build your site really fast using AI, 24/7 live customer support, and you're going to be able to get 2 months for free. You know, the list goes on and on and on. This is the package that I normally use when I build these type of websites, which is the business website builder. You can get up to 50 different websites. You can use the drag and drop editor. All of these different AI tools are there for you to use. So what I'm going to do is just click on choose plan. And I always have to remind you guys this, that when it comes to the period of how long you're going to have the website for, you can select 1 month, 12 months, 24 months. But if you select 48 months, that's where you're going to be able to get the biggest discount. So now that I've selected this, what I'm going to do is click on coupon code, and I'm just going to enter this code so I can get an additional discount. I'm going to put it on the screen as well so that you can clearly see it. So I'm just going to type it in there like that, click on apply, and as you can see, I've now been able to get that additional discount, and all I need to do is click on continue. Okay, perfect. So it's going to be from this point where I'm now going to be able to build the website, and all I literally need to do is enter the brand name and a description. So we're going to do it for this personal finance and investing site. If you're someone that's completely confused on how to brand your website, what to call it, and just the general structure of it, what you can do is use this blog website business plan builder. At the end of it, it's going to give you a custom made prompt that you can now copy and paste into ChatGPT. So we're going to go through it together just so that you have an insight as to how it works. So question 1 is, what type of topics do you enjoy writing or talking about? We've already gone through this. So I'm just going to select personal finance. What type of website do you want to build? Do you want it to be centered around yourself? Do you want it to be branded, you know, away from yourself with a unique name? This is what I recommend. So this is what I'm going to go with. Question 3 is, do you want AI to write your blog articles for you? Ideally, that would be perfect, so I don't have to sit and write the articles myself. So I'm going to say yes. Do you want an AI blog website or WordPress? Of course, we've already started the process of using Hostinger's AI website builder. If you wanted to use Hostinger for a WordPress website, you can also do that as well, but we're going to be using AI in today's example. Question 5 is, how do you plan to monetize your blog? So ChatGPT has already told us that we should stick with affiliate marketing. So that's the one that we're going to go with, and then we're going to click on next. From there, it's now going to give you the custom prompt that you're going to be able to copy just like this. So I'm just going to copy everything and then head back over to ChatGPT. And I'm just going to paste the custom prompt in there just like this and see exactly what it comes back with. Okay, perfect. So it's giving me the competitors within my niche, the estimated monthly traffic, the estimated monthly earnings as well. It's also giving me the business plan, the monetization plan, where I can find all of my different affiliate links, the different blog articles for me to use, the best brand name and domain name ideas for me to choose for this website as well. You know, everything I need when it comes to getting started. So I'll definitely recommend you check out this blog website business plan builder. But now that I've got this, I'm going to be able to complete the step within Hostinger. So literally, I'm just going to come down here just like this. We're going to be able to see the prompt that I'm going to be able to copy. So I'm just going to copy it just like that. Now I just need to decide on the brand name that I'm going to go with. So let's have a look at the different options. And I'm just going to go back over to the plan and see if I can find a good domain for me to choose from. So I'm going to go with the second one in the list, which is smartbudgethero.com. So I'm just going to copy it, paste it in there like this, and click on create a website. And no word of a lie, guys, that probably took around 3 seconds for it to complete. So this is the website right here. This is what it looks like. This is what I'm working with. I'm going to be able to view it on both mobile phone, desktop. I'm going to be able to make all the necessary changes to it that I want to make. What's really good about this as well is that if I wanted to make any changes to it in terms of the text that's on the site, I could just click into it just like this. If I want to update this text that's on the homepage, I could just click on AI text editor, click on rephrase, lengthen, shorten. I'm just going to click on rephrase and it's going to be able to instantly do it. And that's something that you're going to be able to do, of course, throughout the entire site. But there we go, guys. You saw me go from not knowing what type of side hustle I want to build to entering 3 different prompts into ChatGPT and being able to get to this point. And just to answer a question that I'm sure that most of you probably have right now, which is, but Sam, how exactly am I going to be able to monetize from this site? Well, if you go back over to the business plan builder within ChatGPT, you're going to get all the information you need when it comes to, what affiliate programs you should sign up to, which ones are the best ones for your chosen niche, just everything that goes into being able to earn that extra source of income. But this now brings me on to one of the final prompts. Once you've got everything set up, once everything has been running smoothly, once you've been using Hostinger's AI blog writer to help you when it comes to producing daily blog articles on your site, which is how can I expand and scale this side hustle to turn it into a real business? This is where most people end up getting stuck and they end up staying in the side hustle stage, which isn't really the smartest thing to do. Once you've built up momentum, once you've gone through all of the processes that you need to go through when it comes to getting this side hustle off the ground, the next thing that you now need to think of is how you're going to turn it into a real online business. So I'm just going to enter this prompt and we're going to see exactly what it's going to come back with. Okay, great. So I've now got some insights into what I could do and what you could do. Strengthen the content foundation, diversify your monetization, not just rely on affiliate links, maybe build some sort of a digital product like ebook, maybe some sort of paid mentorship, build an email list, the list goes on and on. But the main thing that I wanted to get across to you guys in today's video was to get you thinking about how AI works and the power of it. Of course, I've just kind of left things a bit basic in this video because I didn't want to overwhelm you, but this video was more so for people that are completely new to the world of artificial intelligence. And the fact that we're now living in a day and age where you can enter a couple sentences and by the end of it, have an online business up and running. Yes, it is going to be an online business that you have to put the effort into. You have to be consistent. You have to make sure that you keep working at it. But the fact that you can use ChatGPT, enter a couple prompts and be able to get your online business started is definitely a powerful thing. But for the most part, guys, I would say that those are the main things that I wanted to speak about today. Of course, there's some other things that goes into the side hustle. And if you wanted me to make a follow-up video where I go through, what you need to do when it comes to monetizing from it in the best way as a complete beginner, just put in the comments down below, do the ChatGPT money video and I'll get onto it ASAP. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video that I made recently where I go through some of my favorite AI side hustles, you're going to be able to check it out by clicking the link right there. Watch that straight after this. It's already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it can help you out too. But other than that, guys, as always, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.